Why she always talk about nature, the courage to be disliked. We are afraid to say no to someone, right? When you say no to a lot of things, which now I feel more productive. And moral of this video is that you can't please every people out there, right? The more you love yourself, the more first fill your own self with. Hello everyone, welcome back to Soulful English Journey, and this is Pooja Thakur, and I hope you all are doing exceptionally well, and I'm also doing fantabulous. I'm super califragilistic these days. At my hometown, and I'm enjoying and I'm loving this place. And since it's the days, these are the days of rainy season, so the beauty of nature you can see behind me, it's sublime, it's spectacular. I don't know how it's marvelous, it's majestic. I can go on and on describing this beauty of nature. So that is something that I love, that I've born and brought up with. So I love being between nature, and I always talk about nature. I talk about nature always in my videos as well. So most of the people might be thinking, why she always talk about nature? Because I'm born and brought up here, and I love this. I love sharing about my things, and this has been my dream, that I would share the beauty of my place somewhere. Now I've got this platform, so I love sharing about that. And these days I've been reading this book called not reading, I'm listening to the audio form on YouTube, The Courage to be Disliked. So I really found that book very fascinating. I could relate to that book. You know what? Why? Because I think we human, we tend to do that thing. We are afraid to say no to someone, right? But what I've learned out of that book, that sometimes you have to learn to say no to certain things. You can't say yes to every single thing, and in that way you have to stop being people pleaser. And that book has opened my eyes, I must say, because previously I was also the same person, though I have started changing myself, that I've started prioritizing myself. I think when you say no to a lot of things which you truly wanted to, but just for the sake of people, that you think that what people are gonna think of you, you just say yes to those people, right? So sometimes you have to say no to people, no to certain things. And the day you will start saying no to people and prioritizing yourself, things will start changing in your life. I'm saying this on the basis of real life incidents, though I have recently started watching the audio forms. I'm listening to the audio form of that book. But I think the day I started this content creation journey, I've started prioritizing myself. I've started spending more time on myself. So that has changed a lot of things in my life. Now I feel more productive, and I feel more I feel that I'm doing something, I'm learning something every single day. So the core value of the moral of this video is that you can't please every people out there, right? You have to say no to certain things sometime. Yeah, that is it. I thought of sharing this with you because I think a lot of people do that. So I've also been one of them, but now I've started prioritizing myself. And I think also after connecting with nature, this thing came to me. Now I started embracing myself more. The more you accept yourself, the more you love yourself, the more love you can put out there in the world, right? Because if your glass is already empty, how can you fill others' glasses, right? So you have to first fill your own self with a lot of love, with a lot of you should learn those to love yourself first. Then only you can give that out there in the world, right? So yeah, that is something that I've thought of sharing with you. I hope this video makes sense to you, and you get to learn something out of this video. It was just there's no script, nothing like that. It was just a sudden thought thought of sharing with you. And yeah, I hope you learn something and keep learning and keep smiling. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.